Yeah, you don't want this kind of nonsense on your record, right? How hard do I have to be to make sure that you don't do this again? Rachel Butts, 25R514310. Come
Again,
on.
for the record, Your Honor, House Counsel within my call on behalf of this, but let's can you just please take the full legal name.
Rachel, but
Judge, today's date and time set for an arraignment pre-trial and an open house party for purposes of arraignment. My client stands mutely still living with the general information.
Okay, I'll enter a not guilty plea. Then what happened? You got her a good deal.
I did. I got it.
She's going to plead under that and 6 months, right?
Yes, Judge.
Is that what you want to do? All these ordinances are different, but I believe that this one calls for up to 500 fines, 90 days jail, costs for all those. Do you understand that, ma'am? You understand that?
yes,
And you're not going to jail, but we're gonna have a conversation. Did you sign the advice of rights? You look scared to death. Why are you scared?
Things got out of control.
I know,
They got out of
I know.
and she's taking responsibility.
I get it. I get it. Just relax. You understand everything I've said?
yes.
If you do it, you look like you're gonna cry. I don't want you to cry. Pardon?
I'm not.
Good, good. Okay. If you plead guilty, you're gonna be giving up all those rights. I'll place you on probation, set terms and conditions, and if you're compliant, the case will be dismissed in 6 months. Do you understand that? You understand all your rights?
Yeah.
To the charge open house party, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Do you live at 22553 Candace in the city of Rockwood, County of Wayne?
Yes,
Were you living there on October 31?
Yeah.
And you live with your mom, dad, what?
it's my dad's home, but he comes part-time from the Keys, Florida Keys, back and forth between Rockwood and there.
Does your mom live there?
No, my parents have been separated since I was 4.
So you're pretty much living there by yourself?
My older brother, who's 23, lives there with me.
Did you have an open house party?
Yes.
How old are you?
19.
And you had a bunch of kids there drinking? 50 plus high school kids.
It got out of hand. I didn't mean for all of them to come, but
How many did you mean for them to come?
I only invited about 9 or 10, but
They
everything.
invited 3 or 4.
Yes, exponents. Plus the alcohol came in after.
You can't do that.
Yeah.
You know what would happen when one of those kids get drunk, drive out of there and kill somebody?
It was my goal to have a huge house party.
Well, I didn't say it was your goal, and I didn't say it was your goal to have anybody hurt, but you gotta be careful.
I understand.
Are you on probation or parole?
No,
You were completely in control of the house though, right? At that time?
yes, I was the only one in charge of it.
And you invited them there, 9 or 10 of them, who in turn took it upon themselves to invite other people to your house. Were you drinking?
No.
You didn't drink?
No.
What were you doing?
I was hanging out, making sure that nobody was messing up my stuff. And I did call my brother and my sister to come back for help. But my brother was at the bar with his friends on Halloween and my sister was 40 minutes away. I didn't think to call the police on my home party, which I probably should have done. But
All right, good. Are you on probation or parole?
no,
Anybody forced you to plead guilty?
no.
Hey there, sorry to interrupt the video, but I wanted to take a moment to let you know that TCF is a channel that is 100% human created and human driven. There's so much AI slop out there on YouTube right now, especially in the LawTube space, that I think it's important to point out that every video that we have here on this channel is human created, human curated. We make all the decisions, we do all the editing, it's all us. So if you appreciate that human touch and that human interaction, please do consider subscribing to the channel if you aren't already. Leave us a comment on the video, put a thumbs up. Those things really help us. And if you want even more human interaction, consider joining us for our live show every weekday morning. Okay, sorry to interrupt. Back to the video.
You ever been in trouble? Do you work?
Yes.
Where?
Full-time job at Dollar Tree and I'm a full-time college student.
Where?
Henry Ford College.
Yeah, you don't want this kind of nonsense on your record, right? How hard do I have to be to make sure that you don't do this again?
I feel like I already learned my lesson.
You have a probation order down there.
I believe I have one of those.
I'll take your plea. We'll take it under HIDA. Just take a deep breath for a second. Will you? You're making me nervous up here, huh? She's making me nervous, Mr. Paul.
She She really feels that she's taken the world upon her shoulders, being a younger individual. This is part of being an adult, is to make the right decisions that ensure that other people aren't put in harm's way.
Yeah. Be a leader, not a follower. Right? What are you studying at Henry Ford?
Business administration,
Yeah, so you're gonna have people working for you probably. You're gonna be running
hopefully.
Chrysler Corporation or whatever. What's it called? You get my drift. I mean, you understand there could have been severe consequences here, right?
Yes.
Anything you want to say? I'm a censor.
No, she's a very bright, individual. She had already figured it out. When I was talking to her, she already had the right answers.
Where'd you go, Carlson?
Yes.
What was your grade point?
Not very good.
Why not?
My parents, well, my brother and my father got in an car accident in my sophomore year of high school. And I kind of became a little depressed and stopped really doing stuff my sophomore year. But my junior and senior year, I began to pick it back up, but my GPA was still low from my earlier years. But in middle school, I had a 4.0.
What do you have now? What's your grades right now? If I called over there and said, tell me what grades Ms. Butts has midway through the first semester. This is your first semester, right?
Well, it's my second semester, but my first semester I only took 2 classes. But that was over the summer. And I have mostly B's, I might have a C.
You don't want to give C's. You seem like a nice kid. 6 months probation. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court or violate a law. If you change your address, place of employment, or home telephone number, you must notify probation. You have to report as directed. I've gotten too soft. I would have been a lot harder on this 20 years ago. You know that? 2 days.
I know that, Judge.
2
I
days.
was here with you.
2 days of community service. You complete that by January the 5th, okay? 50 fines, 50 costs, 75 victim's rights fee, $50 justice assessment, 120 in probation fees, 345. This is such a break. I'm gonna give you a review hearing date. You just seem like such a nice kid. I can tell you're remorseful. But you gotta think. You have to think, right? You wouldn't expect if you're having a party. Listen, I was 19 once. I was no angel either. I'm just telling you, when you're having a party, you know people are coming over there to drink, right? Right?
Yeah.
Don't put yourself in that position. Give me a review hearing date, Amy, and then we're gonna talk about time to pay. How about if I just have you pay 50 a week?
She can pay,
I want to pay it all as soon as possible, preferably today.
Okay, if you want to pay today, that's fine.
if one of those considerations under that she'd like to set.
I get it. I'm gonna take it under HIDA. So I need a review hearing date like late April.
Yeah, that sounds good.
April
Yes, sounds good.
28th at 8:30.
April 28th at 8:30.
Perfect.
Study hard.
Yeah.
You know that, we all have a few things that we go back and you don't want to regret things. Study hard. I should have studied harder when I was in college, to be honest with you. I mean, I did well, but I could have done better. Good luck. Wish you well. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Go down, get your review hearing date and go over to probation. Thank you.
When is her payment due?
She's paying now. I'm sorry.
Pay today?
Yep. Good luck. Who's this with you?
My sister, Amanda.
All right. Keep her on the straight and narrow, Amanda. How old are you?
I'm 24.
All right. So you're 5 years older. Keep her on the straight and narrow. That's what we do for younger siblings. Have a good day. Good luck, kid.
Hey, thanks for watching. Please do let us know in the comments what you thought of this video. If you'd like to support what we do here, the best way to do it is to pick up some of our merch. You can find it at courtroomfiles.com.